Welcome to All Force e-learning classes. So, today we will discuss preparation of alcohols by using hydration reactions. In previous session, we have discussed about that preparation of alcohols by using alkyl halides, one type of hydrolysis reactions. So, undergoes nucleophilic substitution reactions form the alcohols. So, in session 21, we will discuss about preparation of alcohols by using alkenes, nothing but hydrolysis reactions, hydroboration reactions, oxymercuration and demercuration reactions. So, now from alkenes, concentrated H2SO4 is given. The concentrated H2SO4 undergoes electrophilic addition reactions with alkenes and sulfato-alkenes are formed. If you apply the boiled water, the HSO4 minus is substituted by OH minus, then form the alcohol. So we have discussed that concept already. Now here supposed to be compound is given like this, here CH3 group, here CH3 group, again CH3 group is given, here CH double bond, here CH2 group is given, CH2 group. Now addition of water means according to Markovnikov rule, H plus is added to this one and OH minus is added to this one, because more substituted carbon having less number of hydrogens, but the adjacent carbon has quaternary nature. In this case, we have to write the rearrangement. Rearrangement product is important in this reaction. Then how to write the rearrangement we'll see right now here. So here first case nothing but H plus and OH minus, here. First step is electrophilic addition reaction. Electrophile is added to the first carbon, which is having more number of hydrogens, here. More number of hydrogens, here CH2H. So it gains what type of charge? Positive charge. Why? Because it is going to lose the electrons in first step. So it gains positive charge. The formed carbocation is secondary carbocation, but the connected carbon has 4 bonds. If you shift that methyl, then the secondary carbocation convert into tertiary carbocation by using methyl shift. When compared to this one, the formed carbocation stability is more, reason tertiary carbocation. The carbocation stability order is primary, tertiary is greater than, secondary is greater than primary here. Based on the rules, we can explain why the tertiary is having more stability when compared to secondary. Secondary is more stable when compared to primary, that is different. Now formed one is more stable intermediate. If you apply the nucleophile, attack that tertiary carbon, then form the product CH3 again, CH3, here CH3 again, CH3OH. This is the way to write that final product. Here. So based on the mechanism, we can write that one here. If there is no methyl, if hydrogen is there, then we have to do that hydrate shift. from more substituted carbon to less substituted carbon, then we'll get a more stable intermediate. Second step is nucleophile attacking step. Then form the final product. Here, for example, compound is given like this. Compound is given like this, which is having double bond. Again, addition of water. Again, addition of water. The first step is electrophile attacking step, but the ring having how many carbons? 5 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-member ring is given. Again, having double bond. Total compound is carrying number of carbons are 7 here. So first step is electrophile attacking step. Here CS2 group, here H. Electrophile is added to this one or this one, this one. Reason, number of hydrogens are more here according to Markovnikov rule. Then the first step is electrophile attacking step. Here CS2 H. It is going to lose the electrons, means it gains positive charge. The formed carbocation is secondary carbocation. The formed carbocation is secondary carbocation here. But you remember always, according to cycloalkanes stability order, 6 members stability is more when compared to 5 member. Nothing but cyclohexane stability is greater than cyclopentane, is greater than cyclobutane, is greater than cyclopropane. Cyclopropane and cyclobutane stability is very less due to the presence of bent bonds. We can explain that concept depends on Beer strain theory. Now, remember always, wherever the ring connected carbon is having positive charge, then ring expansion is possible. How to identify the ring expansion is possible or not means, ring connected carbon must have the positive charge, then only you can write that ring expansion reaction. Here, given ring 6-membered means no need to expand that one. Based on the mechanism, we can write that final product. Here ring expansion is possible. So, supposed to be, if you give the numbering, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 2, 3 bond. 2, 3 sigma bonded electrons migrate towards positive charge. Then new bond is formed in between the first carbon or third carbon. Or sixth one and second one sigma bonded electrons migrate towards first carbon. Then new bond is formed in between the sixth one and first carbon. New sigma bond, which is going to lose the electron, second one. Then it gains that positive charge. Migration here or here doesn't matter, both are having same type of nature. Both are having secondary nature. So you can do migration from here or here, doesn't matter, we'll get same product. So now we will do this one here right now. Sigma bond, sixth carbon and second carbon, sigma bond electron migrate towards first carbon. First carbon. Then form the 6-member ring here. 6-member ring. First we'll give numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The first carbon having again methyl. Here methyl. So which is going to gain the positive charge? Second carbon. Why? It is going to lose the electrons. New bond is formed in between the first carbon and sixth carbon, new sigma bond. But the formed carbocation is secondary carbocation. Again we have to write the rearrangement because adjacent carbon has tertiary nature. Here 1, 2, 3. Total number of carbon-carbon bonds are 3. Here tertiary carbon is given. So we have to write the rearrangement by using the hydrate shift. Then the less stable carbocation convert into more stable carbocation. The secondary carbocation convert into tertiary carbocation. Tertiary carbocation. Now next step is nucleophile attacking step. The OH minus is added to this one, then form the hydroxymethyl compound. 1-methyl 1-cyclohexanol. 1-methyl 1-cyclohexanol compound is formed here. But possibility means then we can write like this. Number of possible products means if you add the OH here, we'll get again directly you can write the secondary carbocation convert into tertiary by using hydrate shift. Next step is nucleophile attacking step. Next step is nucleophile attacking step here. Nucleophile attacking step OH. This is the way to write the possible products. But which one is important means this one is important. Rearrangement product is important. Ring expansion reactions. Wherever this type of compound is given is called what? Ring expansion reactions. So many reactions are there. If you have an idea, then we can write ring expansion reaction. Nothing but based on the given structure, we have to do that ring expansion reactions. This is the way to write that final products. Final product. Next one is hydroboration. Hydroboration reactions. Hydroboration and oxidation reactions. Alkenes undergoes hydroboration, nothing but alkenes reacts with diborane in the presence of ethers, form the hydroborated compounds. Again compound undergoes oxidation in the presence of alkali mediums, then form the alcohols. Alkenes reacts with diborane in the presence of tetrahydrofuran and sodium or H2O2 and OH minus, form the alcohols. This type of reaction is generally called hydroboration reactions. Last step is oxidation, means hydroboration oxidation reaction. Hydroboration oxidation reactions. So now here ethylene molecule is given, supposed to be ethylene molecule, given compound is alkene. Ethylene compound reacts with diborane, tetrahydrofuran, medium is tetrahydrofuran, H2O2 OH minus, H2O2 OH minus. You remember diborane compound is electron deficient compound. Electron deficient compound act as an electrophile in this case. He minus is nucleophile. H minus is nucleophile here. But addition is Markovnikov of addition. Nothing but wherever unsymmetric alkene is given, we have to write that addition of diborane according to Markovnikov rule. So nothing but H minus is added to more substituted carbon, boron compound added to less substituted carbon here. Boron added to less substituted carbon. But given compound is symmetric compound. Here CH2, again CH2. So a BH2, because diborane is dimer compound which is carrying electron deficient bonds, 3-centered 2 electron bonds. So H and BH2. Second step is oxidation step. Oxidation step here. The BH2 minus is substituted by OH. BH2 is replaced by OH here. OH. This is the way to write that product. You remember, according to the reaction mechanism, the reaction proceeds via cyclic intermediate. Cyclic intermediate is given no chance to get the rearrangement, even though the adjacent carbon having tertiary nature or secondary nature need not to write that rearrangement. Directly we can write product without rearrangement. So based on the product we can explain the formed product is Markovnikov product or anti-Markovnikov product. But first step means Markovnikov addition step. But formed product is Markovnikov product or anti-Markovnikov product means when you complete that reaction we can identify. Directly we cannot say right now here. For example, here propene molecule is given, propene molecule which is having 3 carbons. According to Markovnikov rule, electrophile is added to this one and nucleophile is added to this one here. Here B2H6 tetrahydrofuran is given. Here BH2 and H. CH3 again CH again CH2. So H minus again BH2 here. Next step is oxidation step. The BH2 is replaced by OH. The BH2 is replaced by OH here. The BH2 is replaced by OH. The final product is 1-propanol. 1-propanol is formed here. But the first step addition is Markovnikov addition. Why? Because boron act as a, in this case, electrophile, He act as a nucleophile here. According to Markovnikov rule, minus H is added to more substituted carbon, electrophile is added to less substituted carbon. Up to here, addition is Markovnikov addition. Wherever replace that BH2 group by using OH group, form the alcohol. The step is generally called oxidation step, but the product is anti-Markovnikov product. Anti-Markovnikov product. If OH group is having, the second group having OH group, that one is Markovnikov product. You remember, addition Markovnikov addition, but product, formed product is anti-Markovnikov product. Why? Because no rearrangement is in this case. No rearrangement. For example, here substituted compound is given, substituted compound which is having tertiary nature and secondary nature and primary nature. Primary, tertiary. Reason 3 C bonds and secondary nature 2 C bonds and primary nature. So B2H6 here tetrahydrofuran OH minus H2O2 is given. According to step, H is added to here, BH2 added to here. So here CH3 group is given, again CH3 group, here CH again CH2. H minus is added to second carbon and BH2 added to this one. The BH2 group is replaced by OH. The BH2 group is replaced by OH. If you write the rearrangement, that formed product is wrong one. You remember, hydroboration oxidation reaction is given. We have to write the product without rearrangement. Without rearrangement, the formed product is 1, 2, 3, 3-methyl, 3-methyl, but 1-vol. 3-methyl, but 1-vol here. 3-methyl 1-butanol compound is formed here. This is a way to write that boration reactions, hydroboration reactions, hydroboration reaction. Next one is oxymercuration. Oxymercuration and demercuration. Oxymercuration and demercuration. Oxymercuration and demercuration. Alkene compounds reacts with mercuric acetate in the presence of tetrahydrofuran form the alkyl mercury adduct. After formation of alkyl mercury adduct, then the compound undergoes reduction in the presence of sodium borohydride and alkali medium form the final product, which is carrying OH group. Nothing but alcohol is formed here. But the formed product, how to form the product, that one is alcohol or ether or whatever product is formed in this reaction. How can you identify? Means based on the medium. Supposed to be water medium is given, alcohol medium is given, ammonia is given, like this, carboxylic acid is given, whatever medium is given, based on the medium we can say directly product name. Given compound is alcohol or ether or amine or ester, like this. But our concept is preparation of alcohols. So nothing but alcohol compound reacts with mercuric acetate in the presence of ethyl medium form the alkylated product, mercury product. Again compound undergoes reduction in the presence of sodium borohydride form the final compound here. So here alkene is given, here CS2 double bond, again CS2 is given, mercuric acetate HgOAc, mercuric acetate is given, mercuric acetate is given, mercuric acetate, medium is water medium, tetrahydrofuran ether is given, medium is water medium, tetrahydrofuran. Remember, always the nucleophile is coming from medium. Due to that reason, we can say product easily wherever reaction is given. H plus and OH minus. Here also same thing. We have to write the product according to Markovnikov rule. But given system is symmetric system, need not to follow that Markovnikov rule. Here CS2 CS2. Here CS2 CS2. Already I told you, always nucleophile is coming from medium, which is nucleophile OH minus. Then HgOAc is formed here. HgOAc, alkyl mercuriated adduct is formed here. The formed adduct compound undergoes reduction in the presence of sodium borohydride. That means HgOAc is replaced by H. HgOAc is replaced by H here. Here OH, alcohol is formed. Ethyl alcohol. Alcohol is formed. The first step is addition of mercuration reaction is called oxymercuration. Removal of mercury is generally called what? Demercuration. That's why this type of reaction is generally called what? Oxymercuration and demercuration reactions. Demercuration reactions. For example, here CH3 is given, here CH double bond, again CS2 is given. CS2 is given. CS2 is given here. Supposed to be here compound is given, again extra carbon, nothing but this one. So first step is mercuration step. First step is mercuration step here. Mercuration step, which is nucleophile OH minus and mercuric acetate here. Mercuric acetate. CH3 here, again here OH, here CH2 HgOAc is formed here. HgOAc, because no rearrangement in this one. The first step is Markovnikov addition step. Markovnikov addition step. Next step is a reduction step. Sodium borohydride is given. Sodium borohydride is given. The HgOAc is replaced by H. The final product is CHOH again, CH2H. This is the way to write that product. Need not to do rearrangement in this case. Here also same thing, intermediate is cyclic intermediate. Due to that reason, no chance to rearrange the intermediate one. So addition is Markovnikov addition in this one also. So you remember no rearrangement. In previous case also same thing. Wherever hydroboration is given, in hydroboration also need not to do a rearrangement. Reason, the reaction proceed via cyclic intermediate. Due to that reason, no chance to get the rearrangement. No rearrangement in both cases. Which one? Hydroboration and oxymercuration reactions. For example, here compound is given like this, which is having double bond, here. Here H2O is given, temperature, Here B2H6 tetrahydrofuran, H2O to hydrogen peroxide, mercuric acetate, water medium, tetrahydrofuran, sodium borohydride is given. So what will happen in this case? So you remember here H2O is given, means H plus OH minus. According to Markovnikov rule, the carbon is having number of hydrogens are 2, here no hydrogen. According to that concept, the nucleophile is added to more substituted carbon. Here CH2OH. The H plus is added to less substituted carbon, which is having more number of hydrogens. Here, which is nucleophile? H minus is nucleophile. Means H minus is added to this one. Again CH2, BH2. The BH2 is replaced by incoming OH. Anti-Markovnikov product is formed. Again oxymercuration demercuration reaction, which is nucleophile OH minus. The HgOC is replaced by H. The final product is alcohol. In both cases same product is formed, here different, but wherever group is given here different product is possible with water medium when compared to mercuric acetate. This is the way to write that products, different type of reactant is given based on the reagent. We have to write the products. Here. So now here compound is given, which is having tertiary carbon, secondary carbon and primary carbon. The double bond is present in between secondary and primary carbons. Here water medium is given, nothing but electrophilic addition reactions. According to Markovnikov rule, H plus is added to here, OH minus is added to here, but H plus is added to first carbon means formed one is secondary carbocation. Then we have to write the rearrangement. Why? Because the reaction proceed via carbocation intermediate. When you migrate that H here, will get tertiary carbocation. Now here CH3, again CH3, here CH, again CH2. First step is H plus is added to this one, electrophile. This one gains what type of charge? Positive charge. Then rearrangement is possible when you shift that hydrogen from here to here. So here place. Then second step is nucleophile attacking step. Diluted H2SO4 is given, means here also same thing. You remember addition of water reaction. Nothing but one type of addition reaction. Here. So CH2 and CS2. Concentrated H2SO4 and boiled water is given. Already we have discussed that concept. H plus and HSO4 minus. Here H plus is added to first carbon. Then we'll get secondary carbocation. Migration is possible. Final one is primary carbocation. Wherever if you apply that boiled water, the HSO4 minus is substituted by OH, OH here, OH. Nothing but first three cases rearrangement product is important. Rearrangement is important. Here B2H6 is given. B2H6 hydroboration reactions. Here hydroboration reaction is given. No rearrangement. Which is nucleophile in this case? H minus. Here H. BH2 is added to first carbon. The BH2 is replaced by OH. The BH2 is replaced by OH. Oxymercuration demercuration reaction. Similar to that reaction, which one? Hydroboration reaction, no chance to get the rearrangement, but here nucleophile is added to here, H plus is added to here. So HgOC is replaced by incoming hydrogen. Incoming hydrogen. Here B2D6, which one nucleophile? Here deuterium is nucleophile, because given reaction is same boration reaction. Wherever boration reaction is given, rearrangement is possible or not? No chance. No rearrangement. Reason? Cyclic intermediate. Which is nucleophile? Deuterium. D minus. Incoming one also what? H2O2. OD is given. The BD2 is replaced by OD in this case. This is the way to write that product wherever deuterated product is given. Supposed to be here B2H6 is given, tetrahydrofuran is given, here H2O2, again OD minus is given, OD minus. That means CH3, here CH3, here CH, again CH3, CH2, which is nucleophile here H. Incoming one, the BH2 is replaced by OD, then form the product like this. Based on the mediums, we can write the product. The medium is having deuterium or not. First, we have to observe that one. When you observe that one, based on that one, we have to choose that position. Position means occupied position. Then here OD minus is given, the BH2 is replaced by OD in this case. Supposed to be OH minus is given, BH2 is replaced by OH. Supposed to be BD, B2, D6 is given, D minus is added to here, because in this case D minus act as a nucleophile. So this is the way to write that hydrated products, oxymercuration, demercuration product, and hydroboration reactions. Hydroboration reactions. Thank you.